Well, it's that time of the week. We love to check in with Robin Cross. He's with StoneX in Chicago. He's our lumber expert. So, Robin, let's take a look at the lumber market here and explain what's driving it here this week.
Good morning, Marlon. Thank you for having me. Let's start off with prices today. So far, September, we're at $483.70, up $620 with only 11 trades. November is sitting at $540.60, up $640 with 31 trades, so we have a little more action over there. You know, the market is going through its expiration phase right now. The November is now the lead month in open interest as we prepare to close September down, right? So Sep coming in today, we had 503 contracts open. In November, we had 1347 for a not so grand total of 2,100, and that number seems like where we've been steady at 2,100. We went a little bit above it, a little bit below it, but for like the last, 5 months, that's been around our open interest. It's a total holiday trade this week, currently on pace, no joke, for the lowest volume of the year, even lower than Christmas week. But I don't think that's entirely due to the holiday. After a record-setting rally and a record-setting break, which we talk about every week, and I don't want to, really get too much into that, the lumber is in the process of transition, and we totally lack momentum or even a clear path. On one hand, the board's a big premium to print. Random length print came out yesterday at $405. So the now lead November is about $135 premium to cash, which if you look at all the premium we've had these past couple times in September, that's been a proven sell at that level. Guys could lock it in and get it done. And on the other hand, we're currently at below the cost of production, and I would consider it investment level. So my advice would be hedgers, continue to hedge the premium. Speculators, wait for the market to make a mistake, whether it be way up or way down, because I think right now, you're kind of setting yourself up for a long trading day by getting after it. I do believe that, volume and momentum is going to pick up after the holiday, but right now, after what these guys went through this summer, I think guys are just happy it's over at this point. So, no one really wants to get over their skis in here too much, but I still believe that, any significant break in lumber back down to the swing low of 450 we have probably should be bought. I'm already seeing a little more action out of the mills. I think a lot of that high-priced lumber is starting to get cleared out, so guys are going to be looking to re-enter the market, and I would personally wait for that and see if you could get a better price than today. And if not, I would certainly buy the cash before I'd buy the futures. That's for sure.
Well, I sure appreciate the update today, Robin. Good to hear from you again. And interesting how the market may have stabilized here for the time being. We'll see how it holds up as we get into next week. As you mentioned, it's going to be a holiday weekend here, so that could mean a lightening up on the overall volume here on a lot of these ag trades. Robin, thanks for the information. Robin Cross of StoneX. He's located in Chicago. Now, we're going to pause right here, and I'm going to take a look at your livestock trade and the export sales numbers for beef and pork coming up.